The Way of Kueh. I'm Sailor First Class Hartyoung on board Her Majesty's Canadian ship Calgary, and today we're in Singapore. Unfortunately, we're unable to go ashore to experience the culture, so we brought the culture to us through a Singaporean treat called kueh. I'm not sure what's in it, but it looks delicious.
It's a Singapore dessert.
Kueh. That's really good. Excellent.
So I'm trying kueh. Is it this one? Oh, it's delicious. It's gelatiny. Tastes like tapioca. It's like a gelatin texture. Very good, very creamy.
Some good dessert.
It just exploded. It was tasty. Once I got over the initial surprise.
I am here to try kueh. It's actually really good.
I'm gonna try kueh.
That's delicious.
Delicious.
That's perfect.